My name is Nathakit Shotiwoth. I'm 14 years old and I'm studying in Program F. This is the code for my project. I started with just asking it to create a question box to put my name after I entered it. And after it greeted me, I made a quiz. So I made a quiz about math, English, science, and general knowledge. I made it so there are 10 questions per quiz, and I just added a lot more quality of life changes. I also made a few side changes so the entire website can be more pleasing. So this is my website. You'll ask what's your name, and I'll type. It'll greet me, and then I can try whichever quiz I would like to try. I can also switch it to hard mode if I ever think it's too easy. When you answer the question, it'll tell you if you got it wrong or if you got it right. And the progress bar will show you how many questions you got right. And at the end of the quiz, it'll tell you your high score. And you can try again to keep improving your high score. Let's say I finish the quiz, I can try another quiz. And there's also a menu button, so if you ever want to give up, you can just click the menu. There's also a background color change. You can change it to black, white, or dark blue. That's my project. Thank you for watching.